Hi guys, my name is Ashi and welcome back to my channel. So I started my 2025 by going to Rameshwaram with 3 of my friends who came down from Bangalore, and I went there from Chennai via bus. I tried vlogging it a little bit. We all thought it was a great idea to start the new year this way. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Let's go.
So I left for office with all of my stuff because I had to shift the night before. Finally reached the hotel, so we booked Sri Mithila Hotels, which was right in the city's center and very convenient to go anywhere. There was always an auto outside and it was known to the locals there, so it was easy to explain them that where we are staying and where we want to go. I've already reached the hotel. I'm waiting for my friends to come to Rameshwaram and meet me here. Let's see how much time they'll take, and we haven't got our check-in yet, so waiting for that as well. Let's go. They are here.
Hi guys, हम आ गए हैं रामेश्वरम आ गए हम।
Not the cafe, the city.
हमने तो बुलाया था रामेश्वरम कैफे के लिए, बट इनको पता क्या था कि रामेश्वरम में लैंड कर जाएंगे।
So we are going for the tickets for the mandir. Let's go. Going to get our chappals.
After having lunch, we came back to the hotel and played a little bit of Mono Deal. So we also fell for the tourist trap and took some good photos and videos.
Hi. Hi, Parth. Dhanushkodi was such a beautiful place. While going back, we stopped at some of the shops to look at all the stuff, and then we headed back to our hotel and for dinner. Cheers.
hotel. Hotel's name?
I think
Rameshwaram Grand. But the service was really bad. Really bad. There was no waiter which was coming around. And finally, when we went to them, they said it's 50 minutes waiting. So now we are going to another restaurant for dinner. So let's see. So we came to another hotel and it's again full. They have sent us back. Let's see. Now we are going back to our hotel where we are staying, hoping that there we'll find some kind of food. Finally, some ray of hope. Finally, we did get food, but forgot to vlog. Yay! After the dinner, we all just went to sleep because everyone was so tired from the travel. And this is from the next day where we had breakfast at the hotel before going on about the day. Now we are back from the breakfast. We take a bath and get ready, and we have to pack and leave the hotel. So let's see what we'll end up doing the rest of the day because we have our buses around 7 or 8 or something. So yeah, let's see. We are finally checking out of the hotel and let's see where we end up. We'll go do some sightseeing and then we have our bus in the evening. So yeah, let's go. Now we are going where? Kurusalai to do boating. Let's go. So we have come to Kurusalai Island for boating. We have took the tickets and now we'll go for boating. Let's go. We are starting the boat ride. We have reached the island. तुम बताओ कहाँ है? कितना प्यारा लग रहा है। Indeed. So after reaching the island, we explored the island a little bit. They showed us different types of skeletons and corals, which is here, and it floats on water. After that, we also saw different organisms and the flora and fauna chart of the place. And then we ventured on to the next beach, which was on the other side of the island, for which we walked, and it was a really beautiful walk. Such a beautiful place. We explored the island a little bit, saw a lot of bones, corals, 2 beaches and other flora fauna kind of a thing. Now we are heading back to our boat to go back, and let's see then what we do. We are going to a watchtower now, which is fully crowded. But we have reached Vivekanand Memorial. Here it is. We take the tickets and go inside. Came to a temple. We went to APJ Abdul Kalam Memorial, which was very nice, but phones were not allowed, so now we are just taking our phones and bags. So
This is Devik Hotel. We have come here for lunch after a long day. Let's see if we get food or not. What happened? There's only buffet again. Again, after getting visited by multiple hotels, we are back to our hotel which has limited menu options. The red teas are called. Yay. Done with lunch, going to a mandir again and see the floating rock. After which we have to board the bus. So we'll come back to the hotel, take our bag and then go back. We went to see the Panchmukhi Hanuman temple where we also saw the floating stone. After which we walked to the house of Kalam. After that went back to the hotel, got my bags and then boarded the bus. Finally boarded the bus back to Chennai and missing my friends who live in Bangalore. It's not that far but I got to meet them after 2 months or more than